channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So into today's video, I'll be taking down my braids. It's been about, I would say maybe 5, almost 6 weeks now, probably like a day to 6 weeks I have them in, and we decided to say, okay, let's do like a quick video with taking them out. I did not wash my hair over the 6 weeks, but I did add some water, moisture and oil and stuff like that to kind of keep it moist and keeping all of that moisture. But it's been a while now, so I'm deciding that I'm going to take it out. So I'm just going to show you guys how I take it out. I did, however, put elastic bands on the end because the hair they kind of go out of style now. So I decided, okay, let's kind of tease it up before me eventually pull it out. So I did end up putting some locks, cut it and put some elastic bands at the end and kind of do like a somehow kind of bob look. It ain't looking like a bob to me, but it was fine for the couple, like a week or so after I wanted to keep it in for. So yeah, that's it. And you can see into the growth, the new growth that I have. I did lose one of the braids right here, and I think one at the back as well. I did lose one, and you can see all the new growth. Also, a lot of the rubber bands I've seen so far, some of them are broken already, and it's just time for it to come out now. Okay guys, so this is how it looks taking out all of the braids, and let me tell you that my hair feels so light, but there's a lot of build up, because look at this front one right here. Hopefully you can see properly. You see that build up right there? Yep, and I do have a few more. So this is actually my first braiding after combing out my locks. And this is my first takedown after combing out my locks. Yeah, and for the first time I like braiding in my hair, it did feel very tender because I'm not used to the tightness on my scalp like that. Cause we be on a tough love, oh we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love, oh we feeling so okay guys, so I'm all done taking out the braids, and this is how it looks. I took out all the braids and all the rubber bands, and this is how it looks. Like you can see all of the build up them into each of the braids, how it was actually. Hopefully you can see that. You see all of the build up and stuff. But my hair feel good. But yes, you can see, hopefully you can see all of that. Yeah. And I think this one around here have, like, it doesn't have any elastic band, but you can see the build up on this one. Hopefully you can see it good. See the build up there. So I will not be using any water to take out the build up. What I'm going to do, because I'm going to do the pre-poo, I'm going to do the oil mixture and comb them out, right? So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so this is the oil that I have. It's a pre-made oil. It has coconut oil, it has olive oil, and it has peppermint oil, and it has tea tree oil, and I think either one more other oil or two more other oil. I don't remember right now. But this is the oil that I'm going to use to take out all of the gunk and clunk, all kind of something right here. So I'm going to use it, just going to spray some directly on it. So you can see that. Directly on it. And then I'm going to use this comb right here. You can see how wide it is. Can either use this or the bigger one. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm just rub it in a little bit. Put a little bit more. Just rub it in, rub it down. Oops. Kind of mess up the place already. Shana.Kreations. Anyway, I just rub it in on it, on the dirt and stuff. And just carry the oil all the way down to the end, because you're going to come out all the way down. I like to use a lot of oil, so to make sure that when I get a lot of breakage or anything like that. So now, okay, then we get the comb and just comb through. I guess if your ear is longer, I would recommend start detangling from the bottom up, but because my hair is short, I can start from up top. Okay guys, so I'm all finished now, pre-pooing it with the oil to get out all of that gunk and stuff like that, and rub the oil in my scalp and thing, and the edges were definitely needed the more, and I can definitely see that my edges are growing. I love that. Yeah, one of the things I had problem with when I had the locks in is because all of my edges went back in, like eat out all the way in, and look at that now, right? So yes, my ear feel fuller. Like after I comb out the locks, my ear did really feel so thin, and me work with it. Me work with my oil, me work with my aloe vera gel, and me work with make sure me get moisture and all of those things, and decided to braid it up and give it some time to just grow, and it feel good. Like it feel good, and it even look fuller than how it was before. If I have a picture, I'm going to insert it and show you guys how it look. And let me show you how much ear loss I have so far. When I'm washing and conditioning and doing detangling, I'm not sure how much I will get out after that, but this is what I lost so far. And I'm telling you guys, it is a lot to me. But then again, you know, dead ear and all of those things. But yeah guys, I didn't feel any tearing or anything like that when I was combing out, which is good. That's why the oil did help. But that is it. I am going to put my cap on here and just let it just stay maybe until tomorrow. And then I do my wash. I'm probably going to do a treatment with shea butter, olive oil, and I think I'm gonna put egg into that one as well to get some protein in. And that's about it for that treatment for tomorrow. And what I do is after I put the ear cap on, because I'm gonna keep it until tomorrow, I use a ear tie. So I'm gonna use the ear tie and tie to keep it keep it in place like this. Yeah. So this kind of help to keep it in place. I may keep this until tomorrow. And then we do my wash. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy this video, remember to thumbs up, remember to like. Yeah, I guess thumbs up is like, I don't even know what I say, but anyways, remember to thumbs up, remember to comment down below if you have anything to suggest for my hair type, anything like that, anything if I did something wrong or you think something you want to add in. Also remember to share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my other video later. Gone.